Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to fix the direct message option missing or TikTok DM not working issue. If you are unable to send or receive direct messages on TikTok, here is how to troubleshoot and fix the problem. First, make sure your account is eligible for TikTok DMs. TikTok only allows direct messages for users who are at least 16 years old and have a personal or business account. Check your account settings to ensure you meet these requirements. Next, verify your privacy settings. Open the TikTok app, go to your profile, tap the three-line menu at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Under Privacy, tap on Direct Messages and ensure the settings are configured to allow messages from followers or everyone, depending on your preference. If the option is missing, confirm that you are using the latest version of TikTok. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and update the app if an update is available. Still having issues? Clear the TikTok app cache. Open your device settings, go to Apps or App Management, find TikTok and tap on it. Select Storage, then Clear Cache. Restore the app and check if the DM option appears. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try logging out and back into your TikTok account. Go to your profile, tap the three line menu, select log out and then log back in with your credentials. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, uninstall and reinstall TikTok. Long press the TikTok app icon, select uninstall, confirm, and then reinstall the app from the App Store. Log back in and check if the problem is fixed. These steps should help you fix the direct message option missing or DM not working issue on TikTok. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.